Hello everyone, here is the video for Agile Project Manager interview questions and answers with real-time scenarios. Can you give an example of a real-time scenario where Agile Project Management would be more effective than traditional project management? A real-time scenario where Agile Project Management could be more effective than traditional project management is the development of a new software application. Traditional project management would typically involve a detailed project plan with a fixed scope, schedule, and budget, and a strict change management process to manage any changes to the plan. However, in the software development industry, requirements often change rapidly, and there is a need for flexibility and adaptability. Agile project management allows for a more iterative and incremental approach to the development, with frequent feedback and collaboration between the development team and the customer or end users. This allows the team to quickly respond to the changing requirements, prioritize the most valuable features, and deliver working software in shorter cycles. How do you handle conflicting the priorities in an agile project management? Conflicting priorities can arise in an agile project when there are multiple stakeholders with different needs and goals. In such cases, the team and the product owner must work together to understand the different priorities, evaluate the potential impact of the project, and come up with a solution that meets the needs of all stakeholders while maintaining the focus on delivering the most valuable features on requirements. This may involve a compromise or trade-off between conflicting the priorities, such as adjusting the project scope, schedule, or budget to accommodate the most critical features or requirements. What do you do when a team member is not meeting their commitments in an agile project? In an agile project, the team is responsible for delivering the project and achieving the goals set by the product owner. If a team member is not meeting their commitments, it can impact the team's performance and the project success. In such cases, it is important to address the issue and promptly and collaboratively. The team should first try to understand the reasons behind the team members' inability to meet their commitments and offer support and guidance to help them overcome and challenge. And also there are other best practices that can have for within the team member as an effective communication. The team member should be well informed and it is the duty for the project manager to maintain the transparency. So if the issue persists, the team may need to consider adjusting the sprint backlog or the team's capacity to ensure that the project remains on track. How do you manage risk in an agile project? Risk management is an essential aspect of project management regardless of the methodology used. In an agile project, the risk management is typically done through a continuous and collaborative process that involves the team and the product owner. The team identifies and assesses the risk at the beginning of each sprint to iteration and develops the mitigation strategies to address them. The product owner also reviews the risk and collaborates with the team to prioritize the most critical risks and incorporate the mitigation strategies into the sprint backlog. As the project progresses, the team and the product owner continuously monitor and reassess the risk and adjust the mitigation strategies as needed. Can you describe a successful agile project you have worked on in the past? A successful agile project that I have worked on the past was the development of a new e-commerce platform for a retail client. The project involved a cross-functional team working together in 2-week sprints to deliver the working software. The team and the product owner collaborated closely throughout the project to prioritize features and requirements, with a focus on delivering the most value to the end users. The project was successful because of the team's commitment to agile values and principles, strong collaboration, and effective communication. The team also used continuous integration, test driven development, and other agile practices to ensure high quality and maintainability of the software. As a result, the project was completed on time within the budget, and the client was highly satisfied with the final product. What are the core values and principles of Agile Project Management? The core values of Agile Project Management are individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software or product over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding the change over the following a plan. The Agile Manifesto, which outlines the principles of Agile Project Management. It includes the customer satisfaction through continuous delivery of valuable software, embracing changing requirements even late in the project, delivering working software frequently with the preference of shorter timescales, collaboration between the customer and the development team throughout the project, supporting motivated individuals and providing them with necessary resources and support. Face-to-face communication and collaboration whenever necessary, measuring progress through working software and adapting when necessary. What are the core values and principles of Agile Project Management? So the main principles, as I explained, that is customer satisfaction through continuous delivery of valuable software, embracing the changing requirements, and delivering frequently, working together, motivated team, face-to-face communication, working software, and these all established by working software, constant pace, good design, simplicity, self-organization, reflect and adjust. What are some key practices used in Agile Project Management? Some of the key practices that are used in Agile Project Management is Scrum. Scrum is a framework for managing and completing the complex project that involves small cross-functional team working together in short sprints to deliver the working software or products. Kanban is a visual system for managing work that focuses on limiting the work in progress, optimizing the flow, and continuously improving. Continuous integration, a practice that involves integrating and testing code changes frequently to catch errors early and ensure that the software remains functional all the times. Test-driven development, a practice that involves writing tests before writing the code, which helps ensure the software meets the desired specification and it's functional in all times. How do you prioritize the features or requirements in the Agile project? Prioritizing features or requirements in the Agile project is typically done through a collaborative process involving the product owner, the development team, and the stakeholders. The product owner is responsible for maintaining the product backlog, which is prioritized list of features and requirements. The team works with the product owner to understand the business value of each item on the backlog, estimate the effort required to implement it, and identify any dependencies or risks. Together, they use this information to prioritize the backlog based on the most valuable and feasible features for the requirements. How do you manage scope in Agile project? Managing scope in an Agile project involves ensuring the project remains focused on delivering the most valuable features or requirements within available time and budget. This is typically done by using an iterative and incremental approach to development, working closely with the customer or end users to identify and prioritize the most important features or requirements, and adapting to changing the requirements and feedback as necessary. The team and product owner continuously review the product backlog and adjust as it is needed to ensure that the project stays on track and delivers the most value to customer or end users. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. All the best for your interview.